Hello YouTube, dear lovely subscribers of mine. My name is Dylan B. Yep, we're finally back doing a food review. It's nearly the end of 2023, but I've recorded on 2023, but I'll put it on YouTube on 2024. So anyway guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Smith Double Crunch Cheesy Garlic Bread. I 100% love my garlic bread. So if you like garlic bread, just let me know right down in the comments below. You can get it from the restaurant, or you can make a homemade garlic bread you really wanted to. It's up to you guys. Okay. Haven't opened up yet. Oh, definitely not that bad smell. Smells like garlic. Let's give it a try. Oh, look at that. Don't you see there's a green parsley on top of it? Yeah. Alright, let's give it a taste. Shall we begin? Amazing. Tastes a bit cheesy. That's definitely 2 thumbs up. That definitely tastes like garlic bread. Wow. So, if you like garlic bread, which restaurant you like Pizza Hut, Domino's, and La Bichetta, or every other pizza place at the restaurant you like. So, you want to get it from the restaurant, it's up to you, or you want to make it yourself at home for your garlic bread to make. Just let me know right down in the comments below if you like garlic bread, or you can make your own too. So, that definitely tastes like garlic bread, guys. I have to give this one a 10 out of 10. So, that was me having the Smith's Double Crunch Cheesy Garlic Bread. So, you want me to do more upcoming reviews, I'll do it again tomorrow. And I'll work on a new upcoming Doritos very, very soon. So anyway, if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Let's get to 1,100 subscribers in 2024. And comment down below what you want me to do next. And as always, I will see you guys in the next upcoming food review video. Take care.